Hello and welcome back to my channel. And to those who are new, welcome. My name is Ida Catherine. Thank you for stopping by. Today's vegan brand I'll be trying on is gonna be Laura Lee Los Angeles. Laura Lee is a beauty YouTuber and I've been a fan of hers for a few years now. I enjoy her makeup tutorials and she's super funny. Now Laura Lee herself is not vegan, but her brand is. So I'm glad that she made her beauty line 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So let's begin. Alright, so what I purchased was the Glaze and Bronze Collection Bundle, which comes with 2 highlighter palettes, the Glaze and Bronze, and a liquid lipstick trio with 3 matte liquid lipsticks, which are in the shades Cabana, Cora Pop, and Mai Tai. I also purchased the Nudie Patootie Eyeshadow Palette, plus 3 liquid lipstick bundle, which comes in the colors Topless, Jaybird, and Nakey Nakey. I purchased these when she had a deal. I'm not sure if the deal's still going on, but if she does, I will put in the description box below. So this collection here was $49 and this one was $31, which was a total of $80 plus tax, which I think is great for everything that you get. But now let's go and try them on. So what I'm gonna do off camera is gonna be my eyeshadow base and my eyebrows, and we're gonna come back and try the Nudie Patootie eyeshadow palette. Alright, so I'm ready. So we're gonna open this baby up. Very nice packaging. Look at this. These are really nice colors, and it comes with a mirror, which is awesome, and 14 different shades, which is great. So what I'm gonna use for my transition shade, it's Reveal. This one right here. Such a nice mirror. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. Wow, it looks so much lighter here on the palette. It is really pigmented and is blending nicely. Really good color. Wow, okay. And now I'm gonna use these names. I'm gonna use Butt Naked on the outer corner of my eyes. Let's see. Really nice. I actually changed the brush to this. I'm using the e.l.f. brushes that I have from my last video. It's a blending eye brush. These colors are going on so smooth. Like, pack on the color and then you blend it and it's like heaven. Like, it blends so well. Kind of want to do exposed, like a gunmetal shade. You see it? It's a nice shade. So I think I'm gonna do that on my lid, and I'm gonna pack it on with this brush that's from e.l.f. and it's professional eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna try my finger. Oh yeah, much better application. You could probably wet the brush and use it, but I'm just gonna use my finger. Actually, I'm gonna put Uncover in the middle. And also gonna put the same shade Uncover here in my brow bone. So now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the same product I used on my last video. This is the Espresso Lac Liner, and I'm gonna use a little brush to draw it on. Also later on, I'm gonna be using the same foundation I had on my last video from e.l.f. I kind of want to smoke it out. Just so you know, this is the Morphe M421 brush. I'm gonna smudge this line out. I don't want it so defined. And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Alright, so I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera, and now I'm gonna add my under eye shadow. And I'm gonna use Reveal. the same one that I use for my transition shade. This reveal eyeshadow is nice. And I'm going to do it all the way out. And now I'm gonna get the rest of my face ready. I'm gonna apply my foundation and the rest of my products so I could be ready to try the highlighter palette and also the lipsticks. Okay, so I did the rest of my face and now I'm going to try the highlighters. So this is the bronze highlighter palette and it comes with 4 shades and also a mirror. I think this is a little bit too dark for me, but I could definitely use them for shadows. So I'm going to use the Glazed one. And this is the Glaze highlighter palette. Comes with 4 lighter shades, also with the mirror. I think I'm gonna use this one here. Ooh, sorry. I think I'm gonna use the diamonds on one side and the Glow Gal on the other one. Let me see. Oh, I do not have highlight. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the Morphe E48. It's a synthetic brush. And let me see. I'm gonna use diamonds on this side. Ooh. Do you see it? Such a pretty shade. Wow. I'm gonna add it here. Laura Lee was not kidding around. Oh, this is really pretty. All right, and now I'm gonna use Glow Gal on this side. Oh, take all these hairs out of the way. Ooh. Wow, this is nice too. Wow. These highlighters are so pretty. I don't know if you could see that. They're really good. My favorite is diamonds. I'm gonna highlight my nose with this one. Wow. But wow, I'm really impressed. And now we're gonna move on to the lips. So I think we're gonna start with the Nudie Liquid Lipsticks. Let me open them up. I like the packaging. All her packaging is so nice. Everything's cohesive. And these are it. I think I'm gonna start with the lightest one, which is Nakey Nakey. This is close to my skin tone. Very creamy. So this is Nakey Nakey. Very nude and it's closer to my skin. Alright, so let me take this off and I'm gonna try the next one. Okay, so now I'm gonna try Topless. This is a nice shade, more natural. And now I'm gonna try Jaybird. I think she mentioned in the video she promoted them that they do move a little bit, so they take a little bit longer to dry. And but they're definitely creamy and easy to apply. And I love the shade. And now I'm gonna try these. The Liquid Lipstick Trio. So we're gonna start with Cabana. I hear so much hype about this one, so I'm really excited to try it. Alright, so this is Cabana. Very pretty shade. I like it. It's different for me. I never use colors like these. Ooh, this one has shimmer. I mean, I kind of felt something. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. Alright. Now we're gonna use one that I'm very curious. Well, these two I'm very curious about how it's gonna look on me. So, this one's the Mai Tai. Let's try it. This is so different for me. It's a really pretty shade. I never tried a shade like this, so it's new to me, but I really like it. Okay, so now we're gonna try the last one, and it's Coral Pop. It's very bright. Wow, super bright. Whew. This is really bright. I mean, it's a very nice shade. I could see myself wearing for other looks. All right, so I quickly wanted to jump here and let you guys know that this dried. So that's it. So final thoughts on Laura Lee Los Angeles. To be honest, I'm impressed. The eyeshadow palette, the highlighter palettes, and the lipsticks were amazing. So pigmented and creamy. I can see myself making many looks with the Nudie Patootie palette. And also the highlighters, the ones that are a little darker for me, I could use them as eyeshadows. And the lipsticks, I know I could wear them for so many different looks. So I'm super excited to see what future products they come out with. So this is it, guys. So I hope you enjoy playing makeup with me and reviewing this vegan brand, Laura Lee Los Angeles. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when my next video on vegan beauty is up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. My poor lips, my poor lips. And also my friend here says hello. Say hello to my little friend.